Hi, today we are going to compare BullX and GMGN. BullX and GMGN are two innovative trading platforms catering to different trader needs. BullX focuses on cryptocurrency trading with user-friendly features, while GMGN leverages AI technology to enhance trading strategies across various markets. This comparison highlights their fees, user experience, trading volume, features, and community feedback. Let's start with fees. BullX charges a transaction fee of 0.05 SOL, which some users consider relatively high. This fee structure may deter frequent traders or those with smaller trade sizes, impacting overall profitability. However, the platform's advanced features might justify the cost for users who prioritize functionality over minimal fees in their trading experience. On the other hand, GMGN may implement subscription fees for access to advanced features or its AI services alongside standard trading fees that apply to executed trades. This structure allows users to choose between different service levels based on their trading needs. Let's talk about user experience. BullX, currently in early access, is described by some users as slow and clunky, which can hinder trading efficiency. Despite this, it offers advanced functionalities like multi-chart views and comprehensive holder information. These features can significantly enhance trading strategies for experienced users who are willing to navigate its less than optimal performance. In contrast, GMGN offers a user-friendly interface that caters to both novice and experienced traders. Its design incorporates advanced tools and functionalities that enhance usability while providing a comprehensive trading experience. When it comes to trading volume and activity, BullX tend to engage in lower trading volumes, averaging $123 per trade with about 91 trades monthly. This lower activity may reflect the platform's current user base or its performance issues that detract from user engagement. As a result, traders might find fewer opportunities for quick profits in a fast-moving market like Memecoins. In comparison, GMGN's trading volume may fluctuate based on market conditions. However, its innovative AI-driven approach can draw users interested in leveraging technology for their trading strategies. This can result in varying levels of activity depending on market dynamics and user engagement. When it comes to features, BullX is known for its extensive features, provides tools like wallet tracking and detailed portfolio analysis that cater to serious traders managing multiple assets. These advanced functionalities can help users make informed decisions based on comprehensive data insights. However, the complexity of these features may overwhelm casual traders seeking a simple trading experience. Conversely, GMGN stands out with its AI-powered insights and automated trading capabilities. The platform provides real-time data analysis and customizable trading strategies across various markets, appealing to traders looking for advanced tools and innovative approaches to enhance their trading performance. For community feedback, BullX received a mixed result. Some users appreciate its advanced capabilities despite performance limitations, while others find it frustrating due to speed issues. Experienced traders may value its feature set enough to overlook these drawbacks. However, ongoing improvements are necessary to enhance user satisfaction and retain a competitive edge in the market. In contrast, GMGN generally receives favorable reviews for its innovative application of AI in trading. Users value the automation and data analysis capabilities offered by the platform but may have concerns about becoming overly reliant on technology for their trading decisions. In conclusion, BullX excels in cryptocurrency trading with a straightforward interface, while GMGN offers advanced AI-driven features for diverse markets. Traders should consider their specific needs and preferences when choosing between these two platforms for optimal trading experiences. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.